Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about the MICA exam. So MICA is the exam for admission into MICA Ahmedabad, so it's an Ahmedabad based college. And this video will talk about where these 180 people, which have an intake of 180, where these 180 people came from and what kind of a placement they got in the end. So starting with the process, to get into admission to the MICA college, so you have to give MICA exam. So MICA exam is going to happen normally in December and Feb. There are two rounds, round 1, round 2, so you can attempt any of the round or both also, you can try both the rounds. Then you have to apply for the GDPI and then take the admission. So MICA have a very unique process. It's not a typical maths verbal logic question. So they're going to be a psychometry test, then a quant verbal logic test, which is a normal for every exam, and then VAT. So they are going to give you picture test. They're going to give you photos. You have to write essay on a photos. So they will give you like a photo of an aeroplane and then photo of a child. So then you have to merge them together and make a story out of that. So story writing, and then in the admission process, they're going to be live enacting of a case study. Yeah, normally they give you a case, normally GDP is like case study, what we'll do in case employee want to leave. So they will make you enact, it's like a play going on. So there's a brilliant process. So in fact, I think we are the only coaching institute who is providing training for all these courses, all these things combined together into one area. So in case you want to join our program for the MICA exam, you can see the description box. I given the link where you can purchase the program, which includes your mocks, includes your psychometry, include your VAT, everything is included in the program. Yeah, in case you want to join. Now, the people who convert the exam, 6% BA, BCom, BBA 23%, engineers 57%, BSc 7 and other 7 includes architecture and all. So this is I think the only college which have a engineers weightage in 50%. Remaining otherwise everywhere is around 80 to 90% engineers. Yeah, so that's the advantage we have. Okay. Then look at the experience, 0 to 6 months, 31% of the batch have 0 to 6 month experience. They've not given the exact detail of the freshers, but yeah, 0 to 6 month, 31%. 24%, 11 to 24 month work ex, 43%, maximum crowd is here. And 24 plus months work ex is 26%. So you can see an equal breakup for everyone. So those who have more work ex, you have no problem, you can still apply here. And those who are fresher, obviously you can apply here as well. So average, now there are 4 courses offered: advertising, branding, number 1, number 2, digital communication management, number 3, market analytics, number 4, media entertainment management. So there are 4 courses available and the average packages varies. So now at MICA, average is quite low, around 12.8, considered to be the world-class college, top college in the country. Average is low. Why? Because of the media advertising. Media advertisement salaries are always low. Why it is low? It's like doctors. Doctors always start with a stipend of around 5,000, 6,000. So starting salary is very, very low, but gradually it goes high with experience. So obviously in the training program, the first couple of years, the average salaries are very low and then gradually they increase. So where they got placed, FMCG is the highest, that's the highest package, 58 lakhs. So average is 12.8% and highest is 58%, that's the average for this year. And PPO, around 72 people got a PPO, which around 40% of the batch got a PPO, pre-placement offer, before they go to join the college. FMCG, 20% batch placed in FMCG. ITS, highest 25 lakh package, 20% batch got placed there. Media advertisement, 19% batch got placed. Now advertisement and digital, this is where the average salary go down. Highest is 14, average is 9.5. Consulting analytics, average is 11. And other areas 11. So media, entertainment, and because of these things, the average package goes down. Otherwise, the average is quite good as compared to other B schools. Yeah. So if you are looking for a career in media advertising, in these roles, this is the top college. Yeah. If you're looking for MBA in finance, you are the wrong place. If you're looking for MBA in general marketing, you're in the wrong place, because highest here is 15, whereas IIMs the average is touching 25. So obviously you should target CAT. Yeah, so MICA is a very, very focused sectorial program in which only those people should apply who have interest in any of these 4 areas: advertising, branding, digital marketing, marketing analytics, yeah, media, entertainment. So these 4 areas only you can apply. Yeah, so that's a complete process, right from 180 students, who they were, where they came from, and finally where they went for. So it is a very, very focused program. Okay, that's why the average is less, because of media advertisement, because of these people the average goes down. Starting package in this area is anyway less, but still from the industry standard this is the highest you can get, because I personally feel the average salary of a media advertisement area is around 6 lakhs. Yeah, if you're getting 12 0.8 as an average. So this is obviously way beyond the average standard offered by the other colleges. So there are other colleges as well, like Symbiosis have a SIMC, which is communication focused program. Then KJ Somaya have a program, Willinker have a program, but this is the #1 program you can target. Okay. So in case you want plan to join us, you can join us in the description box and given the link. You can come and meet us. I'll guide you for the complete process, psychometry, then quant verbal VAT will come take care of all the things which are there. Yeah, so in case you want to join us, you're most welcome. Otherwise, all the best. And I hope this makes you aware of what is happening and what is MICA all about. Yeah, all the best.